everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your Adobe Express password. Now, in order to reset your password, first of all, go ahead and open up the Adobe Express application. This will take you to the Sign In or Create Account page, from where you will need to tap on the Sign In link at the bottom left corner. In the Sign In area, enter the email address that is associated with your Adobe Express account in the text box. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter your password. If you don't remember your password for your Adobe Express account, simply go ahead and tap on the Reset Your Password link at the bottom. Soon after you click on that link, you will need to enter a verification code that was just sent to your email address associated with Adobe Express. Open up your email service provider's inbox and click open the verification code mail from Adobe. Copy the code in it and get back to your verification website. Enter the code or simply paste it in the boxes, and on the next page, you will get to enter the new password for your account. Enter the new password in the first text box and repeat the password once again on the next field. For your security, make sure you check this box at the bottom where it says Sign out of all active logins. This way, you will be able to protect your account from unauthorized access. Finally, click on the Update Password button in blue at the bottom right, and you will be able to reset your forgotten password and recover your account. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.